Welcome to our submission to the AWS Data Exchange Challenge, where we're building automated tools for providing consistent data visualization of worldwide pandemic data. We wanted to make uses of open source tools to make sure that it's easy, it's accessible to get those metrics anywhere in the world. We also wanted to exploit the capabilities of the AWS Data Exchange service, and in that way we wanted to focus on a 4-domain value proposition. First, starting with a consistent experience where whenever that data is fetched, either is US, Colombia, or any other country, the same data points are presented to the user at any given time. Also, we wanted to add automated data source ingestion. So whether you are on the AWS Data Exchange and you have all these services already built for that reason, or you want to use external sources that you want to continually update, we wanted to make sure that that data is available to the dashboard without any user interference or actions required. Also, for us, it's really critical to move up and down on the resolution of the data. So if you want to look at countrywide data points, you can do that. And if you want to drill down to departments, states, cities, or counties, you can do that as well and not leave the dashboard at any given time. And finally, the data normalization layer for us is really important because we want to make sure that the data is standardized no matter what the data source is. So we want to keep that minimum amount of data points and data variables that we can review. As we mentioned, the architecture is serverless. It's based on the serverless services from AWS. We use a couple of data sources from React data subscription fetched to the AWS Data Exchange, most likely the testing data for the US and the overall COVID-19 total cases and repositories stored and updated permanently on that data exchange. Once those data subscription points are updated, then a Lambda function is triggered to put that data into an S3 repository, and from there a new Lambda function is triggered that fetches and ingested that data into a Zabbix server instance. And depending on the event layer and configuration done on Zabbix, you either push that data into a visualization from Grafana, or you run an anomaly alert service that allows you to trigger notifications to users if something weird with the data or with the thresholds being crossed has occurred on that period of time. We encourage you to review the real-time dashboards in our submission. The link is also in the description. It will be also on the main page, and we want you to experience and to experiment with this. At this point, you can move between states, and all the data will be updated and the reference will be adjusted to that specific state, city, or county that you're looking at. You're also invited to move from the US to Colombia and other countries to look at the standardization and normalization layer that we're doing. And with that, we believe that we provide a simple, fast, and consistent visualization and alerting engine for COVID-19 data that can be easily extrapolated to any type of healthcare related services, especially leveraging the AWS Exchange capabilities. Thank you.